Okay guys, I want to show you exactly the free tools that you can use to learn cybersecurity in 2026. So I'm going to start with something called VMware. So what is VMware? Well, for cybersecurity, you need a space that you can use to practice, a space that you can use to break things. You don't want to break your own PC. You don't want to affect your own personal files that you use on a daily basis. So you need a dedicated space within your computer that you can use to test things. So it's basically, you just need a lab, and that's what we call a virtual machine. It's a computer within your own computer that you're going to use for testing all these cybersecurity tools. So you need to go to this website here, VMware, which is, you can get tools here for free. You need to download the VMware tool. VMware is the virtual machine tool that you need to download and install on your PC. A virtual machine, like I said, it's a computer within your computer. You're going to download this, and then once you open it, it's going to require you to install an operating system. Now, what is an operating system? An operating system is something like Windows or Android. It's software that allows you to run other applications, right? It allows you to install all these other applications that you are using on your computer or on your phone. So you're going to have to download this one here, Kali Linux. You need to go to kali.org. All right. So Kali Linux is the most popular ethical hacking operating system. So you need to go here, download it. It's for free. All these tools that I'm showing you right now, all of these tools are for free. And how does this Kali Linux work? Well, you can go to this website here, offsec.com. Offsec will teach you everything you need to know about Kali Linux. So there's a course here for Kali Linux beginners. This course is also for free. So everything I'm going to show you in this video is absolutely free. So you don't have any excuses. Now go to this website, Kali Linux, and open this Kali Linux fundamentals course. You will have to register. Then once you register, then you can access the course. You can learn exactly how the Kali Linux operating system works, and you can learn all of that for free. You can see here, start training for free. All right. So once you've installed Kali Linux, and then the next thing that you need to learn is AI agents. So you need to get this application here, OpenClaw. You need to know how this system works, called OpenClaw. Now, what is this? This is an AI agent. So what is an AI agent? An AI agent is like a personal assistant, basically. You can train this system to do things for you or on your behalf. So if you're running a business, actually you can use this as an employee. It can do things on your behalf. As you can see here, it can clear your inbox. It can read all your emails. You can tell it that when you find emails like this, you must delete them, or when you find emails like this in my inbox, you must respond to them and respond to them in this manner. So it can become like your employee, basically. But obviously, what you give it access to, that will also mean that there might be a security risk, because now you're giving it access to personal data, personal emails, personal files. So you also need to learn exactly how to secure this OpenClaw system, this AI agent. You need to know how to set the limits in terms of what it can access and what it can do. Because if you don't set the limits and you give it access to everything, then anyone can use it against you. So that means people can hack into your AI agent and get access to your personal data, personal emails, personal files. So you need to learn OpenClaw and learn how it works, learn how to secure it, how to close all the security weaknesses that it has. Now, where do you learn about this AI agent, OpenClaw? So you need to go to this website here. Also, OpenClaw is for free, right? Everything I'm showing you is for free. Now, where do you learn about OpenClaw? Go to this website, OpenClaw.academy, also for free. Once you get to this website, and then you can get courses here. You can start here, start course, how to set up and configure OpenClaw. So you need to learn exactly how to install it, how to set it up, what to give it or what it must access, which files it must access, which files it must not access, which emails. So all of that you will learn in this course here, OpenClaw Foundations. So these are the tools that you need to learn for cybersecurity. All of these are practical tools that are very important. Remember, cybersecurity, you can get all the cybersecurity certifications that you want, or you can get qualified with all the cybersecurity certifications. But if you don't have practical experience, or if you don't know how to use the cybersecurity tools, then those certificates will become useless. So these are the free tools that you can learn in the year 2026 that will put you in a better position. So the first tool, VMware, which is a virtual machine. It's a computer within a computer, right? It's your own space within your computer that you will use for testing. It's a practical lab space. That is a VMware virtual machine. The next thing, Kali Linux, that is the operating system. This is used for ethical hacking, right? This will allow you to install other applications or to run other applications. Where do you learn about Kali Linux? You go to OffSec website. You log in, then you can start the training for free. Next thing you need to learn about, because AI is the thing right now, you need to know how AI works, how AI agents work, because AI agents are being used to hack right now. So you need to know how they work. And where do you go? You go here, OpenClaw. You download this for free, and then you learn about OpenClaw and how it works. Where do you go to learn about OpenClaw? You go to this website here, OpenClaw.academy. You will learn everything here about OpenClaw, about this AI agent. An AI agent is like a personal assistant. If you're running a business, you can actually use this as an employee. It can do things for you. It can run your administration on your behalf. So this is where you will learn about the AI agents. Now go and download these tools, try them out, and see if they will benefit you in your cybersecurity journey.